name's Hada Lily. We're going to do a fidget toy. A fidget toy. This is a snake, I think. You can bend it in different kind of ways. And why I love fidgets, it's because they're so satisfying that I want to play with them all day, but I can't. Because if you sleep, you'll live longer. Families, if you don't know that. Look, I made the snake.
Good job.
Here's this in the background. Now let's pick another one. Anybody want to do the puppy? This is a puppy pea. Now let's get into it. Squishy owl. Squishy owl. You can squish it in different kind of ways. You can Now this is a finger trap. You might not know a finger trap. You might not know a finger trap. What is? It's a finger trap and I can't. Don't worry, Neuro Pride, I can get my finger to that. Next is this. I can't remember what it's called. That's okay. This is not a fidget, this is a Donkey Kong. This is a puppy. You might not know a puppy. What is a puppy? You might know what is a puppy. If you don't, you just have to buy a bit. That's strange. You might not know a donkey is a hell. He gets such an evil donkey, evil donkey. Top 2. I can go back. Sorry that we couldn't do it for a long time. This is a monkey noodle. You can stretch it. You can do this. It's very satisfying. This is a squishy. I'll tell you something first as well. Sharks can smell blood. That's very horrifying. And I don't know why.
What would be the best fidget toy to bring to the beach?
This is a good thing. And I would not expect to bring a Donkey Kong, which is not a fidget toy there. You will lose it. I would not expect one of these because it will get... I would not expect to bring this because the paint will wash off. I would not expect to bring this because it will break into pieces. Because if salty water gets on this, it will get so disgusting. I would recommend bringing a pop too. Bye.